Hello, I'm Congresswoman Angie Craig from Minnesota's 2nd Congressional District. I'm honored to congratulate the Ahmadi Muslim community on your centennial anniversary. The world is better because you've stood on the side of universal human rights, peace, and racial and gender equality. Too often our neighbors are challenged because of their religion. We must condemn all forms of hate and violence, which have absolutely no place in our communities, and we have to come together to strengthen all of our communities. I am so proud to work with Ahmadi toward making our country and our world a more peaceful, equitable, and respectful place for all people. Congratulations on 100 years.